Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to fix your iPhone related to software. For example, if you stuck at iTunes, just like my iPhone 6 right here, or your phone is boot loop, you cannot do anything, it is stuck, frozen, you can go ahead and fix your phone by using a software called iMyPhone Fix Pro. And you can see their software is allow you to fix like the iPhone, the iPod, or the iPad, including the Apple TV. You can fix those issues without losing any data. So now let me go ahead and show you how it works. So now from here you're gonna see there are three options. The first one called standard mode, where it is going to fix the following issues that are listed here without data loss. And if you click on it, just go ahead and click on it, and then you can follow the further instruction. Just like you can download the firmware version and you should be able to restore and fix it. Another one is called advanced mode. It is for those of you that forgot your iPhone passcode and you want to remove it, just go ahead and use advanced mode here. It is going to completely remove the passcode screen and you should be able to use your iPhone again. So now let me go back to our issues here. So if your iPhone is in iTunes mode or recovery mode here, just go ahead and click on the last one at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on it, and then you will find a blue button here. So just go ahead and click on exit recovery mode, and now your phone will be exit. So you can see it is very simple. Now it is back to normal, and you can see here it is fully working. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know further information, you can go ahead and click on the link that I provided in my video description. Then I will see you guys in the next one.